Hey, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. It's Tim with ALGO Online Retail. I know it's been a while since my last YouTube video, and I just wanted to say it straight. I haven't disappeared. I haven't gone MIA. I've just been heads down building behind the scenes. But I'm back because I've got a plan to give you way more content, free content, way more consistently. And here's the deal. I'm going to be using AI to help me do it. Not to fake me, not to replace me, just to help me take what's already in my head and turn it into more videos more often for you. So let me be super clear. Anytime you see an AI version of Tim, of me on this channel, it's because I approved it. It's my content, my message, my words, my teaching. Think of it like this. I'm still the one driving. AI is just the camera crew and editing team. And just so you know, this doesn't mean you'll only see AI content from me. I'm still going to pop in with real in-person videos from time to time, and you'll also keep seeing real videos from Kevin and Brett and Sophia and the rest of the ALGO team. All right, so in a second, you're going to see the AI Tim version of me take over for the rest of this video so we can start putting out consistent help without me needing to be in a studio 24/7. Cool? Let's do it. All right, so here's what's changing on this channel. From now on, you're going to see a lot, and I mean a lot more videos on this channel. You'll see shorter videos, more practical videos, more here's exactly what to do videos. And that's because Amazon changes fast. And I don't want you learning from outdated advice, random online gurus, or focusing on strategies that worked 3 years ago but don't work right now. So we're using AI to help us stay consistent and keep you in the loop and up to date. Here's what you can expect. More Amazon updates explained in plain English, more product research and sourcing tips, more avoid these beginner mistakes videos, more tools and step-by-step walkthroughs, and of course, more free training without all the BS. And again, just so it's crystal clear, this is not Tim got replaced. This is Tim using modern tools to multiply so you get more value. So if you're pumped to see more content, do me a favor, hit subscribe, then drop a comment and tell me what you want next. Product research, suppliers, brand approvals, listings, fees, getting ungated, whatever you want. AI Me has the time to do it. And if you want the full step-by-step system we teach, click below and register for my next live free training this week. Yes, real me live and in person, not AI Me. All right, so welcome back, my friends. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to you and your families. Now, let's get to work and make 2026 our best year yet.